So yeah, it's going to be a good night. Let's see if we can make some progress on the car, whack it on the dyno. We're doing a bit of a cruise. Come along with us. Thank you again for all your support, guys. I hope you enjoy tonight's video. Yeah, buckle up. Peace. That sound, bro.
I can get used to this, bro.
It's good, eh? The way they make Skylines from factory with a few little tweaks, more than enough to have fun and enjoy yourself. What a car. You hear me rambling on about YouTube family and whatnot. I thought that's the best way to put it because I have put these videos up in the wild. I've had my closest mates supporting me, but for all you guys that have found the videos, I haven't had any push from any other channels. All of your support, it's like it's meant to be. I really appreciate all of you guys coming along for the journey. This is just the beginning, guys. There's so many more project cars to come. Shout out to the YouTube family. Much love. Thank you guys again. Let's cruise. Welcome to Mexico.
Hopefully that's not a con, but like it's for the video, you know?
Look, brother, look, what's one quick, just couple, bro, just maybe two. We'll meet in the middle, cuz. We'll meet halfway at 1.5 hoots, 1.5 helis.
Just like the springs, you meet halfway.
Yeah, cuz. What's one quick one? About time you do something for the vlog, man. How you going, brother?
300 kilowatts.
Don't worry about 300 kilowatts. We made it here alive with you driving. You did. Besides that, so we made it here to Race Solutions in one piece. We got Nardo back, boys. How are you, brother?
How are you?
Missed you, brother. One day too long, huh?
Yes.
What have we been cranking, bro?
Just a drift car, Commodore.
Not. Or was that the one that hit gate up the street?
No, that's one of the boys in the same complex.
Nice, brother. Nice, nice.
Right here, we just tuned it.
Oh, yes.
Higgins heads.
Sweet.
Hydro handbrake.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Did you set it up?
No, they set it up.
The way you done mine was probably better than that anyways. Yeah. Oh, are we...
I like your face. Where's my flippy?
Bro, I'm taking it after you made me spill mine, eh? Cuz, look at this guy. He re-clutched second. Yeah, he re-clutched second, bro. I lost half my drink, and now I've got a wet Dax. What are friends for? It's in the glove box. It's in the center.
I was like, yes, I'm getting it.
Let's see how she's held up since we've closed the bonnet last time when you done the timing belt and all that. We got no coolant stains. We got no oil marks from the front,
Which is good.
Good job, brother. Literally blinked and you had the whole rail out.
Let me get the injector rail.
Yep. Let's go, boys.
Nice Aeroflow injector rail. RB24.
Yeah, the boys. Let's go, boys.
You want to show something good? Walk up those stairs and look at this bait.
Let's go have a look. What do you reckon's in it? Oh, brother, the VL. Bro, would you like some engine with that turbo, cars? That's wicked. So which ones are the block offs?
These two.
Yeah.
And then you'll go inlet, outlet, back.
Beautiful.
So unfortunately it doesn't come with the block off, so we've got to see if we've got any.
Aeroflow, let us down, boys. Let us down.
They're good when they want to be.
100%. They make you purchase the extras, bro. That's why.
Badly.
But at least come with a warning on the box, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And just say, hey, you need a certain amount of parts to make this kit work. All right, so we have had some vibration coming from the front left of the car. I could tell the way that the rotor discs were wearing, they weren't wearing as even, and they've still sort of got this score mark going through them, which is sort of telling me that this wheel is vibrating. The wheel could be out of balance, but most of the times it is a suspension component. Now looking at this, see how this thing here, the whole rubber bush?
That bush will be finished.
Yeah, it's finished, and when I go, you can feel it through the disc.
That's a total adjustment.
That would give us the shopping trolley effect pretty much, depending on how we adjust it. So by the looks of it, that's worn. Lucky I've got a spare off the big turbo black Skyline, so we'll slap a new pair of those on both sides to try eliminate this shake at about 100 k's on the motorway. That should fix it, so we'll save that for another day. But yeah, at least we found the problem. Now let's whack this wheel back on and we'll get back to doing the injectors.
I love doing injectors and stuff.
Yeah.
Like, they don't give you the block off. I'll order it tomorrow from Rocket.
Yeah, sweet. That's pathetic, bro. 2 M8 1.25 Allen key socket cap screws.
Yeah, that's the one I need, but they're not in here.
So 2 would be 50 mil and 2 would be 60 mil.
Yeah, it'll give you 2 of each.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
See which one it is. But mom's a dog.
Well. So as Aeroflow states, we should get 2 of the Allen key socket cap screws. One's going to be in a 50 mil and one is going to be in a 60 mil. It says it on the paper, Aeroflow guys. Right. Wicked, bro.
You know, we could just bang
Yep.
in. It'll get a float in. And we could just put a 90-degree bang
Yeah, sweet, bro.
in there and then just do the return off there.
Go this one at the front,
Yeah.
and then this one's run to the back. Wicked. Sweet, bro.
Somewhere on it say 2K or 4S.
Two different size hose clamps. We'll piss those off while we're here, just so it looks nice and tidy from the bay. Yay! Brother, little things like that make the world of a difference, eh?
Yeah, 100%.
That's so tidy, bro. Alright, so now we're gonna fix these bodgy hose clamp cable tie thingamajiggy backyard jobbies. Because two cable ties holding up, I still can't figure that out, bro.
Yeah,
You put a hose clamp a little bit loose and the thing will leak.
so it was gonna leak out.
But cable ties held it.
I'm so surprised.
Bro, what?
Okay.
Little things like that make the world of a difference. Alrighty, so that's a wrap for today. We've got our fuel rail in. We've got some hose clamps fixed up as well on that side too. We'll do the final radiator coolant bleed when it's on the dyno. Double check our oil levels. We've got our fuel filter in. We'll run our last fittings for the fuel rail for the return and the feed. So return and the feed, we'll set that up, and yeah, the two block offs. Thank you, Aeroflow, for leaving those parts out. Need a coupon, man, or something, you know what I mean? Like, come on, man. You know, because I'm rocking your turbo on my main one. It cops a beating, and I'm giving you good words. And I haven't lost faith. So, you know, come on, man. Anyways, yeah, 100%. With my little 2,000 viewers. Here I am saying, like, I'm talking about how businesses should be run with 2,000 viewers. Mate, all right? I do YouTube, all right? Nah, no offense, good products. Yeah, so Nato's going to surprise us tomorrow or the day after that. He's going to...
Wednesday?
Yeah, sweet. He's going to have the rocker covers pulled off. I know. It's like, you know, yeah, well, yeah. When you agree to like, oh, like we're on like Game Faces, boys, and you got that one bloke in the back. We'll pull off the rocker covers. We'll get that done in black. We're fixing this leak. This guy over here, or just JB weld it. Yeah.
That's why cars come out.
Yeah, 100%. You get a little bit of JB weld stuck in the engine. But yeah, no shortcuts. We're here to do it properly. We're here to make a good car that's going to take a beating, and it's going to go to the next home, and the next person's going to love it as much as we do and hopefully look after it. We'll try to do things right the first way. But yeah, until then, we will see you tomorrow. Peace. Love you, YouTube family. Thank you so much. We're out. See ya.